Well, hi there, my name is Nigel, this is Nigglepicks, and welcome again to another road with station in the name. Yeah, we're doing another stations video. This time we're at a place called Portsmouth near Todmorden, and we're going to do a station here, and then there's another two stations further down the line back towards Halifax. Thank you. This time the station has level crossing on it, so you can see the level crossing up ahead. There's literally nothing left of the station itself, but we can see where it is. We've got some really nice old photos again. Hello my little car. This road is quite a bit busier than I thought it was going to be. There you go, that was good timing. Somebody's actually using the level crossing. Now here, I think we're going to be able to put a picture over the top of it, is where the signal box used to be. Try and get the same angle if we can for one of the pictures. There you go, car coming through. And we'll walk over there in a second. Here we are, looking up line towards, well that way we've got Rosegrove, Burnley, and then it goes on all the way through to Blackpool. One of the platforms was this side of the level crossing, I believe, and the other one was the other side of the level crossing down there somewhere. Shame I can't get down the side. I'm not trespassing to do the videos. Like I say, leave only footprints, take only photographs. I've just been told that the building there, whoops, God, I'm never going to get used to this. The building over there has recently been purchased by railway, the railway company. So I wonder what's going on there. I just talked to a gent and he said there's enough people living around here now that they could actually reopen it. Sorry if it's a bit dark, but the light is pretty low. It is winter. Try and improve it a little bit. But yeah, so pretty nice here. Down in the valley, you can see how steep the valley sides are. It's getting on into mid-afternoon. It's getting dark already down here. But, well, there you go. That's Portsmouth station, or the best I can do for it. Onward now to Cornholm station. Well, found another station road here at Cornholm, but only dead ends. I'm going to have to do a bit more searching, see if I can get through anywhere. It seems brick walls, and see if we can find a bridge somewhere. I'm back after this. Right, the previous station was a bit of a bust. We're going to have to just put old pictures on anyway. I'll probably describe that in the little bit that I did do. Now we find ourselves really close to Todmorden itself, to a place called Stansfield Hall, and there was a station here. We're going to have a walk down to the station now. Thank you, Greeny van. Yes, sir. Anyway, here we go. This little lane is just to the side of a little kiddies playground, as you can see. Quite obvious railway footbridge coming up here. Like I say, this one was called Stansfield Hall. Squelchy, squelchy, lots of dead leaves, autumn. Beautiful shape about the low sunlight. Hope it looks okay on the camera. I'm getting blinded so I can't actually tell. Anyway, here we are on the footbridge, and just over here, that's right where the station was, down there. Try and put pictures on. We're looking up, once again, we're looking up line towards Rosegrove and Blackpool again. It is on the Lancashire Yorkshire Railway. But yeah, I forgot to mention this line had the name of the Copy Pit line. It helped feed a pit higher up the valley. Try and find out where it is and maybe put it in the description. So there you go, that's exactly where the station was, down there. You can see still has some of the retaining wall there. The station, it's shaped just there. Don't know whether you can actually catch that on. No, yeah, maybe just in the behind the bushes there. Anyway, we'll go and have a look at the other side. Can see there's a line goes off to the right, and there's lines come round the bend from the left. From the left is from the main Lancashire and Yorkshire line that goes Leeds to Manchester, and on one of my previous videos, just round that corner to the left, about 2 miles, 3 miles, is Eastwood Station, which I did, like I say, on a previous video. And round to the right, that it's actually called the Todmorden Triangle. That goes round to Todmorden Station, to that direction. Todmorden's over there to the right, and yeah, like I say, the line goes to Todmorden Station, but also it makes a triangle. You can go from Todmorden Station directly on the Lancashire and Yorkshire line. Anyway, thanks for watching. Sorry about the middle station, Cornholm. I've done the best I can. I've just had a natter with somebody, and it is quite hard to get anywhere near where the station used to be. But I'll use a little bit of the station road, and I'll put the old pictures on, and you get a bit of an idea. And anyway, thanks for watching, like I say, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. That'll be fantastic. Many thanks. See you in the next video.